All right. What's up, guys? Jason here, the Minto Show. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a subscriber. Happy 4th of July, guys. It's 4th of July, 2025. It's about 9 a.m. We got a big day to play. We have a big day planned today. We are going to head down to the beach, probably do like 17 miles on the bikes, maybe stop, jump in the ocean, come back, get some lunch. Then around 3 o'clock, we have the Milton Farmers Market. So we'll do that from like 3 to 6, get some dinner, and then head down to Lewes for fireworks. So it's going to be a busy day. So I thought you guys would come along and let's just see how crazy it is this year. 4th of July is usually really busy down at the beach. And we're going to try to avoid the traffic, take the bikes, go into like a secluded area by the beach, maybe like the north end of Rehoboth, jump in the water, lay out for a minute. But yeah, I'm just going to throw the bike rack on the 4Runner, and I want to pack some food. I'm going to get out of here. Here we go. Alright guys, so I'm just getting my shakes ready for the day. I do 2 of these a day. Always one like mid-morning and then one after lunch. And these are the Arbonne protein shakes. I usually do vanilla and chocolate. Today I did vanilla. I usually put vanilla protein or chocolate protein with turmeric, peanut butter, and then usually with the vanilla breakfast one, I usually do strawberries, frozen strawberries, and delicious. I love it. But if you guys are interested in any Arbonne products, you know Sherilyn's an Arbonne consultant, and I do this every day. We actually have an Arbonne like cabinet here with all our products. We have a bunch of fizz, and I take gut health, mind health. I take their greens every morning. But we have a bunch of products that we all kind of found the ones that we like and to keep up with our health. So there's always a link below in all of the videos for Sherilyn's Arbonne website. So if you guys are interested in any products or weight loss or nutrition or health, feel free to give her a shout out. She'd appreciate it. All right, guys, we're just about ready. Got the bikes loaded down. We got some snackies. I always carry a repair kit, water bottle. Sherilyn's got hers. But yeah, we're ready. So we're gonna ride into Rehoboth. We'll go through the Breakwater Junction Trail. Probably stop at the restroom, then hit the beach, jump in the water, and then head back, go to lunch, and then we gotta get to that market this afternoon and sell some microgreens. But yeah, there's a lot of people down here. There's a little bit of traffic getting into Lewes. But yeah, I'll try to get some video, but they have the roads already like blocked with cones because of fireworks tonight. They don't want people setting up on the side of the road, parking. So it's gonna be a good time tonight. We'll just bike in, usually park down here for the library, bike in, bike out, and it's a good time. So here we go.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we're just leaving Whiskey Beach in Gordon's Pond, which is part of Delaware State Parks. Spent about half an hour jumping in the water, got dried off, and now we're headed back. Here we go. All right, guys, so it's about 2:30 in the afternoon. We did like 17.15 miles on the trail. It's a good time. It was nice we stopped and got a little bit of beach time in. But yeah, it's just great seeing everybody out enjoying 4th of July and the holiday, and it's just cool. Love to see it. But now we're switching modes. We got all cleaned up and we're headed to Milton for the market. So we're gonna load up some microgreens and just make sure we have everything. One thing I always make sure we have battery power for our fan. I always take a Milwaukee fan with us. We're at 2. Gonna need another battery. But yeah, so let's get loaded up and we'll start setting up for the market. Hopefully it's a good one today. All right, guys, first tray going in the truck. I usually just put them in the back seat here. And there's plenty of room with this old Super Duty. Alright, guys, it's about 3:15. We're setting up for the farmers market here. It starts in 15 minutes. We gotta get the sign up, kind of get everything's organized. And yeah, it should be a really good market. So we'll see how it goes today. Alright, guys, so we're back from the farmers market in Milton. Had a good time. We had a really strong start. It was to the point we were thinking, oh man, we're actually gonna sell out. But then it just like came to like a complete stop in sales. So it's just the whole market just nobody was there. I guess everybody had plans, barbecues, dinners. But yeah, that's done. So we're just unloading right now, and then we're going to probably grab a little bit of bite to eat, and then we'll head back down to Lewes for the fireworks. So yeah, I'm just emptying some trays right now. When we're all done with the markets, I'm left over with my trays here, so we just gotta dump these, and we'll clean them at some point, and then we replant. So that's it. So, all right, guys, we'll see you on our way down to Lewes. Go. It's a crazy path here. Go ahead, bud. You can go. I don't want you to fall.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, guys. So we are now in Lewes. We made it down through the main drag. They closed off the road. It was just pedestrian traffic. But yeah, this is like the coolest boardwalk that I've seen here. It's just super rad. Really beautiful tonight. It is just stunningly beautiful tonight. Just check this out. Okay. Just beautiful. What we got? Caught up with my buddy James and his son Gary. I used to work with James a long time ago, but we saw them riding in and we rode in together. I guess we'll probably sit down. But it's just, look at this. Come on, guys. It's just beautiful out. All the boats, the barge. Wow. Beautiful. Madness. Oh, you guys getting off? I'm gonna try to keep riding.